The following segment is sponsored by Renown.
According to experts, even just 1 hour of smoke exposure can affect our lungs and our hearts. Here to share how we can stay healthy and protect ourselves and our loved ones this fire season is Dr. David Lemak. He's a division chief of urgent care at Renown Health. Dr. Lemak, who is really the most susceptible to smoke exposure? Who needs to be really careful?
It's the extremes of age, the very young, infants and children, and then the older adults. And then certainly anybody with any underlying heart or lung problems, significant obesity, etc. But also people at risk are those who are in disadvantaged conditions. The homeless, folks that don't have the ability to gain access to respite from the smoke.
And so what are some ways we can protect ourselves and get that respite from the smoke and stay safe when we're seeing a lot of it recently?
Well, the first thing is reduce the amount of time spent in a smoky environment in whatever way is possible. If we have air conditioning, stay inside where it's air conditioned, run that fancy HEPA filter, etc. If we don't have that access, then an air purifier is a good idea. And reducing the risk of additional air pollution inside the house. So avoid vacuuming, cooking indoors, lighting candles, etc.
Adding to that.
Correct.
We've gotten used to wearing masks, of course, because of COVID. Some people, I think I've seen wearing them out recently, maybe not because they're worried about COVID outside, but they're thinking they're getting some protection. Are they getting any protection? It's
an excellent point. First of all, the average cloth mask doesn't provide any barrier protection. A surgical mask, about 20% of the particulates are filtered. But the N95 mask, the mask that we've all used in the patient care area, those filter up to 95% of particulate material. So if there's someone who needs to be outdoors, who is at high risk, an N95 mask is a good choice.
Okay, Dr. Lemak, thank you so much for that information. If you'd like more information, you can visit renown.org/wellbeingwednesday.